Now, let's create an invoice. Remembering that SlabWare just synchronized invoices because quotes don't need to be synchronized. Note that when you create an invoice or a quote, you can previously configure the automatic activities to the job, and you'll be able to see this settle up on your invoice or quote. Let's start to add this lab, previously registered on TestQP. Adding also syncs, products and service. After that registration, we will be able to configure the terms of payments and taxes, and these fields will be synchronized with QuickBooks. Remember that only the values with QBO sign will be able to synchronize. Now, let's add the text and discount as an example to be synchronized. After hit sync with QBO, we are gonna see a pop-up right here, and it will remain until the synced message appear. You will click to refresh your page, and you will be able to see the Go to QP button. This means that the synchronization is okay. Now, when you open your QuickBooks, you can see that the terms, items, text, and discount fields are now actualized. Remember that the synchronization is made only from SlabWare to QuickBooks.